Very good evening to all gathered here. Today we are going to discuss about design thinking for customer experience. Let us go with the session objectives. In order to solve the real problems for the real people by designing the solutions that are more desirable, feasible, viable, ensuring the emotional resonance. The main purpose of getting the customer feedback is to improve the concept idea of the design by understanding its own technical feasibility and connecting emotionally the sentiment of the customer in order to bring out a more innovative product solutions in real-time practice. By using the feedback loop as one of the important steps in design thinking, we can able to continuously learn and improve and evolve with the users by giving lot of solutions in practical scenario. Let us get into the topic directly. So design thinking tries to change or gives a big impact about the customer feedback by creating a highly innovative product solution using different iterative process like empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So the customer feedback analysis is one of the most crucial stage that helps the designer to deeply understand the user needs. And through customer feedback, they can able to collaborate and develop solutions that genuinely resonate and moving beyond incremental fixes to create a breakthrough experiences. So the purpose of collecting the data from the customer is to improve or refine the existing design solution in a more better way so that we can enrich the satisfaction of the customer experiences from their way of learning and knowledge by collaborative approach in order to develop the innovative solutions for the refinement of the design model. What are the basic core principles of customer experience in design thinking? The first stage is empathy. So the designers are supposed to go beyond the surface level data by conducting field observation, interview, and understanding the customer stories, their emotions at different points. And human-centered focus place the customer at the center core of the business, designing solutions around their actual needs, not just internal process or assumptions. So customers are placed at the central core of the business activity according to their wish. So all the products and service has to be conducted by satisfying their primary needs. It is not just like an internal process or assumption. Iteration and experimentation. Use rapid prototyping and testing methods to get real user feedback, allowing for quick learning and model refinement before the full final release of the model. So how customer feedback works with design thinking? In emphasize space, gather the collective feedback through deep listening, conducting different interviews about various challenging situations, faced by the customers and try to take an observation to understand why customers feel a certain way. Then next, after gathering the different information from the consumer, next stage is define the problem statement. So synthesize the feedback in order to define the core problem and set a clear goal or objective for what we are going to solve. The next one is ideating process. Conduct the brainstorming innovative solution that address the problem definition and also encouraging more innovative ideas. Then construct the prototype. Build low fidelity versions of the prototype model in order to test the concepts quickly. Then get the prototypes in front of the real users in practical scenario. Observe their interaction and get the feedback without disrupting them. And iterating. Use test feedback to revisit the early stages, refine the solutions until it truly meet out the customer needs. So what are the benefits of gathering the customer feedback as per the concepts of design thinking ideology? One is deeper insights. So here we can able to address the root cause of different the challenging case as experienced by the consumer, and that will lead to more impactful solutions. Then we can able to reduce the risk, identify the flaws or mistakes in the earlier stage through thorough testing and preventing the costly mistakes. Increase the loyalty, create experience that surprise and delight, fostering strong advocacy. So through customer feedback, we can able to increase the loyalty and according to the customer needs. So the product will be manufactured what they expect from the producer. Next one is cross-functional innovation. Use various collaborative teams to contribute a unified and customer-focused vision. Let us see the various outcome based on the topic objective. The main outcome of applying design thinking to understand the customer experience in terms of feedback is the creation of innovative user-centric products and services. So that would lead to increase the satisfaction, brand loyalty, and the customer success by moving beyond the assumptions in order to further develop highly intuitive, delightful, and functional experiences. So before moving to the closing remarks of the seminar presentation, I would like to give an overview about today's topic. So initially we started with importance of consumer experience or customer feedback as per design thinking concept. So what are the benefits of getting the feedback suggestion from the consumer for the model upliftment or the design refinement? Based on the above information, so I conclude that design thinking turns the customer feedback into a most the powerful tool for driving the future innovation by confirming that the business are consistently creating the experience that not only meet the consumer needs, but they can also anticipate the customer expectations by increasing trustworthy and loyalty in user-centric world. So with this few information, I would like to thank all the members of today's seminar meeting. So we will meet in the subsequent the design thinking lecture series. Thank you all.